So today we are going to be doing a review on the newest collection from Flower Nose, and this is called the Moonlight Mermaid collection. You guys, my heart stopped when I saw that they had announced this collection. I had like every calendar reminder you can think of set up so I could get my hands on all of these products. You guys, there are so many good items. Every time I order from Flower Nose, I just find more and more amazing, beautiful, stunning products, and this was no exception. So if you want to see all of the items that I got from this haul and try on applications and all of my thoughts on all these products, definitely keep watching because there's a lot of good stuff and a lot of free stuff too. So starting off, you guys, I just have to say I got so many free gifts in this order. I have never gotten this many things before and it was so awesome. So I just really quickly want to go through all the freebies real quick and then we'll get into the actual products that I purchased. So the one thing I love about Flower Nose is that they like to treat you when you order stuff. So usually they have multiple tier levels, like if you buy 3 products, get a free gift, 4 products, get a free gift, 5 products, get a free gift, something like that. So first off, when you purchase so many items, you do get the actual gift box for free. Now you can purchase this yourself off the website, which is nice if you really want the box but you don't want to have to buy all the items to get the box. You can just buy them. I think they're usually about, I would say maybe like $10 to $15. I'm not sure. It is just the box though, so be aware of that. And it's just so pretty. I like collecting beautiful packaging. So this is what the inside of it looks like, and all of my products came perfectly neatly packaged inside the box. And I absolutely love whenever companies let you purchase the stuff like this because it's so pretty and it almost feels like a PR moment even if it's really not. So I always love getting the actual boxes. Next, I got some sticker sets. So the first one I got here is actually from the previous collection. This one was the Chocolate Wonder Shop, which I also reviewed on my channel. So if you want to see what I thought about that collection, definitely check out that video. And so I got a little cute sticker set of all of these things. I love it. It's just so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I love that they threw it in. Then we also got another sticker set, and this one is of course for this collection, the Moonlight Mermaid collection. So again, very cute. Next up is something they do with all of their collections. They do like these really beautiful little hair barrettes, and I got the blue one. This one is so pretty. I of course have all the other ones from the collections that they've done before, and I really love them. So I have got the Strawberry Rococo, I've got the Chocolate Wonder Shop, I've got this one. Love them so much. They are so cute and I love having like a little collection of these. Next up, I got the makeup brush, and you guys, I got this as a free gift in the last collection as well from the chocolate shop. So I have 2 of these now, but that does not bother me at all because these are so soft and I love these. Like, they are so soft and so amazing. So whenever they're giving them out for a gift, I'm just gonna keep taking them because they are so good. Next up, I got 4 perfume samples, you guys. 4. I got 2 of the pink perfume. Spoiler alert, I did buy the full-size perfumes as well, but it's so nice getting little samples of these as well. I can keep these in my purse or have like a travel one, so I am so happy to have that. So I got 2 of the perfume samples, and then I got 2 of the blue perfume samples as well. Next up, you guys, I got the mirror for free, and this is so gorgeous. You guys, look at this. I am starting a serious collection of these mirrors from the makeup collections because they are so gorgeous, and every single one just gets more and more beautiful. I've definitely got to figure out a way to store these and put them on display because they are just absolutely so gorgeous. They are amazing. And we're still not done, you guys, because the next gift that I got for free is this amazing little tote bag, and it's absolutely perfect because I feel like sometimes, you know, you'll get a freebie and you're like, will I really use that? Or, you know, it's nice, but I don't know. This one I think is so cute. This is the Flower Nose Chocolate Wonder Shop tote bag, and I love this. It is so cute. I'm totally gonna use this. It is so pretty, and it's so well made too. Like, this is like a thick kind of tote bag. This isn't like your typical like really cheap like little like faux cottony plastic kind of whatever. This is like really nice, like a canvas thick durable kind of tote bag. So I was absolutely so shocked when I got this because I was like, wow, I'm going to actually use this. Okay guys, and the last free gift, my jaw dropped when I opened this because I don't think I realized I was getting this as a free gift, and it blew my mind. And when I opened the package, I was like, what is this? So I have it sitting over there, but it's too large for me to hold up, so I'm gonna insert a clip of what it looks like. You guys, it's a rug. A rug. I know, what? Okay, so I know that was a ton of stuff and we haven't even gotten into the haul yet. So we are gonna start off with the products. I'm gonna do some applications and let you guys know what I think about these products. So let's get into that now. Okay, so starting off, we have the Mermaid setting powder. This is a #1 Fair Ivory. I think they only have like 2 colors of this, so if you are not like paper white, they're not gonna have a color for you, which is very unfortunate. But the packaging of this is just so stunning. Oh my gosh, I can't get over how beautiful this is. And then on the inside here, it also has a little mermaid impression into the actual powder. It is unfortunately gonna get ruined after the very first use. And then underneath here, there is a little makeup sponge that you can use to apply the product, and it also comes with a bonus makeup sponge, so I think that's really awesome. Unfortunately, I did already powder my face, but I'm just going to take a little bit of this onto my sponge here, and I'm just going to kind of pat out my under eye. I didn't really put too much powder there, so we're going to use that. Overall, I think that unless the packaging is just absolutely, you know, irresistible to you, this probably isn't like a must-have item, especially if, you know, you're not just a single shade of like paper white, because this is very, very light, and I think they only had a couple colors. But I feel like if you really wanted to and you were crafty enough, you could probably pop out the pan in there and replace it with another product. So next up we have the actual blush. This one is another stunningly packaged product, and this one is a #3 Coral Jellyfish. What I loved about these is that they are all ombre blushes. So this one kind of goes from like a light corally pink all the way up to a light buttery yellow. And again, we have this absolutely gorgeous embossing, and it's gonna hurt to use this, but we're gonna do it. Okay, so I did go ahead and apply it to this side. It is a very soft, light blush color. If you do not have very pale skin, unfortunately, I don't think that this particular color will show up. I will have to look at the other colors to see if there's any that's a bit deeper in color, but as far as this one, it's just a very light color. So this is the side without, this is the side with. It's just, again, a very light, soft kind of pinky color. And of course, I love this brush. This was a free gift that I got, and you guys, I love this brush. All right, next up we have the eyeshadow palette, and this is so gorgeous, you guys. I am dying. I'm dying. They had several different colors of these. I got #3 Ocean Siren, and this is what the colors look like. I think that these are so pretty. This is such a nice color story, and I feel like it's, you know, got some color without being too out there, and it's not so simple where it's just like a neutrally brown kind of palette, which I do think they have. I feel like every collection they come out with 1 or 2 kind of more safe side ones, and then a couple like more dramatic kind of color story, but this one just spoke to me. The colors are just so soft and dreamy. So first off, I want to start off with this light peachy color, and I'm going to put that all over the lid into the crease, and that's going to be a bit of our base color. This is a bit of a soft color, but it definitely is showing up on my skin, so that is good. I do have to say though, again, lighter skin tones are going to show this up a lot better. Any deeper skin tone, it's just either not going to show up or it's going to be very ashy, so just keep that in mind. Next, we're going to use this deeper mauvier pink here, and I'm going to deepen the crease with that. That color is definitely showing up nicely on my skin tone, and it is blending beautifully as well. Next, using the darkest matte brown here, I'm going to take that on a smaller brush, and I'm going to focus that just on the outer portion of my lid and the inner portion of my crease. This is just going to darken and define just a little bit. It's not a super dark matte brown, so it's going to be a little bit more of a softer definition. Next, we're going to use this matte minty green color. This is just so gorgeous. I can't get over it. I'm going to use this on a small pencil type brush, and I'm going to pick that up, and we're going to apply this on the lower lash line, and I'm going to keep most of it towards the center of my eyelid because we're going to come back with a little bit more of that brown shadow. Now this one's definitely a little bit of a softer, sheerer kind of shadow, so you could always amp this up with a white base or a colored eyeshadow base just to give it a little bit more pop. Then going back to that dark brown, I'm going to use that same brush here. I'm going to pick up just a little bit of that, and I'm going to take that on the outer section of my lower lash line just to bring that up so it matches and kind of blends into the upper eyeshadow up here. Now for the most exciting part, I'm going to take a stickier shadow base, and I am going to apply this on the center portion of my lid, and then I'm also going to take just a little bit of it and put it on the lower lash line on the inner corner just to give this sparkly shadow a little bit of something to really stick to. And then using the shimmery minty color here, we're going to take this up with a shadow brush. And then I'm going to place that right on the center of my lid, right where we put that sticky base. Since these are more of like a topper kind of shadow, I love using a sticky base because it just really gives it something to hold on to and makes it last a lot longer. And then also taking that same color, I'm going to put that on the lower lash line on the inner corner and bringing that into the inner portion of my eye here. And that is the eyeshadow so far, you guys. I love this color. It's so pretty. I feel like a little ethereal mermaid, and it's just so gorgeous. So now we're gonna move on to the eyeliner here. I have actually two different colors of the eyeliners. I have a light pink, it's kind of like a sparkly pink, and then we have just a plain black. So I'm just going to line my lids like normal and do a winged liner. Okay, this is probably like the thinnest eyeliner brush I have ever used. Like, this is the most tiniest, like most precise brush ever. Okay, so next for the pink one, I wasn't sure how I was going to use this, and it is kind of more of like a sheer pinky kind of like glitter. I don't know if you'll be able to see this very well, but it is very light. It's not a very like solid opaque type of eyeliner. It's definitely like a sheer, almost like a eyeshadow topper in a pencil or a liner form. So I'm just going to do a little like detail glitter on the bottom section of my wing just to add a little bit of like a sparkle there. And then I want to do just a little bit on my lower lash line here. Kind of surprised. I think this might be the only product that I don't really think I have much of a need for, especially with this look with the glitter already going. This is just so insanely subtle. You really kind of can't tell that I did anything with it. So I'm definitely gonna have to try this out with another look where I maybe do like an all matte look and see how this shimmer kind of like shows up. But to be honest, I feel like I could have skipped on this one just because I feel like it doesn't really do a whole lot. So next off, we've got the lip product, and this is actually a lip gloss product this time, and I'm so glad they decided to switch it up a little bit. That was one thing I had mentioned in some of my other collection review videos, was that they do a lot of the kind of like moussey cloud paint kind of style of lip product, and I'm glad that they decided to mix it up into a lip gloss this time because I'm a little bit more of a fan of the lip glosses. And I got this really pretty pink one. They do have several different packaging styles and several colors to choose from, but I did get number 5. It doesn't have the English name on here at the moment, so I will have to put in the description what the name is. But again, packaging is absolutely stunning, nothing less than anything you would expect from Flower Nose. So first I'm going to line my lips. I'm just using the NYX lip liner in the color Nude Pink. Alright, and now I'm going to apply the lip color. It smells like a green apple Jolly Rancher. Okay, so the texture of this is a little bit different than I was expecting. I thought it was going to be more of just like a plain, you know, run-of-the-mill gloss, but it almost has a little bit more of this like cushiony gloss feel, like a plushy kind of gloss. I don't really know how to describe it. Maybe like a gel gloss. That's kind of probably the closest I could get. This is a gorgeous color. This is going to be like an everyday product for me, whereas some of the other lip products I did enjoy, they weren't something I would use like on a day-to-day basis, but this I feel like I could use all the time. And it's so pretty. It's got a good amount of color too, especially right before I blend it in, but it's got a good amount of color because I just barely lined my lips with that lip color. Most of this is all coming from the gloss, and this is so pretty. Yeah, like a gel lip gloss is the best way I can describe this. And you guys, the green apple-y type of scent, I don't even know if that's what it truly is, but that's exactly what it smells and kind of like feels like to me. But it's such a nice scent for a lip product. I can't believe more lip products haven't done that kind of scent or flavor before, and it makes me want to get more of these because I love this. It looks so pretty, so like soft and like girly. I'm all about this lip product. Okay guys, and this is probably one of the items I was most excited about for this collection, and they have launched 2 perfumes with this collection. So when I saw that they were selling these perfumes, I lost it and I was like, yep, I don't care how much they are, I'm going to get them, and I'm going to get both of them. And these are so pretty, you guys. So there are 2 different scents. There is the pink bottle here. Let me see if it's got the name on here. I think the English name of the pink one here is called Forever Blooming Flower, and then there is the blue one as well. So pretty. And I think this one is called Luna Goodness Tree, or is it supposed to be Luna Goddess Tree? I don't know. Either way, I had to get these no matter what they smelled like, just because they are absolutely gorgeous. Now we're gonna do a quick little scent comparison of the 2. Okay, you guys, this is such a different like scent combination or scent profile that I typically go for in my perfumes. This one is definitely more of like a fresh floral kind of like scent, but in such a really good way. Like not a grandma floral, like it's a very sophisticated, I would say almost like a springy floral, which is perfect. Very fresh. I will definitely have to look up the notes because you guys, I don't have those in front of me right now. And to be honest, I'm really not a floral person, but there's something so nice and so pleasant about the scent. I'm completely happy with this. I would totally wear this perfume. It is, oh, it smells so good. Okay, next up for the blue one, we're gonna do a little spritz of that one over here. Oh my God, this one's also so good. Okay, it's kind of, I would say that these two are very similar scent families. This one's definitely more of like a fresh floral. This one almost has a little bit of a like on the florally side, but it's got like a little bit of a hint of like a woodsiness to it too. You guys, I honestly don't know if I can decide which perfume I like more. I think if I had to pick like just one to get for me personally, I'd probably lean a little bit more towards the blue scent. But honestly, I love both of these perfumes. I can't choose. I'm so glad that I got both of them because they both smell amazing and they are absolutely gorgeous. So, and the real kicker is, knowing what I know now, would I still buy both of these perfumes? Absolutely, I would. They are that good. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.